Okay, good morning to all. Last class, we up to SHM for velocity displacement completed. So next one, acceleration. So acceleration A is equal to R omega square. So this is the relationship between linear acceleration, another one rotational acceleration. How do we know very well? For the periodic function equation, A equals capital A sin omega t. So I am applying the value of A or omega square sin omega t. Okay. And y is equal to r sin omega t. Kindly refer the previous class notes. Then you will get A is equal to minus omega square into r into y. Okay. So up to that you copy ma.
Sir, that is omega square y, sir.
Yes, omega square y.
Yes.
R sin omega t it is then I am applying for y. The graphical representation for the displacement, velocity and the acceleration. We should represent with the graph. For the SHM displacement, velocity and acceleration. First, I consider when the particle is initially at the mean position. What is the displacement formula? Y is equal to R sine omega t. So this is the displacement equation of the particle. Now I am finding the velocity. So velocity v is equal to d by dt into y. So what is the value of y? That is the r sine omega t d by dt r sine omega t. Doing the integral, differentiation on d by dx cos x means you will get minus sin x. Sin x means you will get cos x. Differentiation formula. One time differentiation you will get velocity. Second time differentiation you will get acceleration. Now acceleration A is equal to dv by dt d by dt for velocity formula r omega cos omega t. So I am doing the differentiation. R omega it is constant. Cos omega t means you will get minus sin omega t minus sin omega t. And if omega t it is no, I am doing differentiation. It is omega. So you will get minus r omega square sin omega t. This is the acceleration, equation number 3. Okay. Now we'll represent with the graph for the base omega t. pi 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi. One second, I change the color. This is positive R. That is the R means amplitude. This is the negative minus R, origin O, this total Y. Listen, the base omega t for the displacement. So I will consider displacement is the Y. Y is referred to displacement. See here 0, 0. Next one pi by 2. This is pi by 2. 0 pi by 2 pi this is 2 pi this is 3 pi by 2 for 0 0 only. Pi by 2 it is a maximum R and pi the value is 0. Next one 3 by 2 minus R. 2 pi again it is 0 because this is the sine wave, no? Next one velocity. For the velocity I will draw graph here. This is velocity. In this side acceleration. Now velocity ma. The sine wave is there now. For the velocity it will start with here. That is the R omega. Velocity equal to R omega. So R omega means it is the upper sign, positive. Like this. This is origin. Same, this is 5 by 2 for in this point 5 and this one 3 pi by 2. Just apply the value velocity. Starting is upper, positive r omega pi by 2. Pi by 2 position time, it is 0. Next to pi, it is a negative axis, minus r omega minus r omega. Next to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, this is 0. For here, positive r omega. Okay, next one, acceleration. Acceleration starts with the down. This is positive r omega square. This is for velocity, this is for acceleration. Minus r omega square. For the acceleration, the 0 base, 0 only. Pi by 2. Pi by 2, this is the pi by 2. So pi by 2 time, that is a negative, minus r omega square. Next,
Hello, my voice is audible now?
Yes, sir. Now
Yes.
audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
One minute. Now my voice is audible. There's some technical
Yes.
problem. Yes, my
Yes,
understand.
sir.
For first one, displacement. Second one, acceleration. Sorry, velocity. It will start with here. This is positive r omega. This is negative r omega. In between, velocity v. Next one, acceleration. It is starting down. R omega square minus r omega square, the total acceleration. So remainder same only. This is pi by 2, pi 3 by 2, 2 pi, pi by 2, pi 3 by 2, 2 pi. Based on in this graph, we can fill the table. Up to now, we discussed the particle initially at the mean position. Next one, it is when the particle is initially at the extreme position. For extreme position, just to note it enough. It is for your understanding only. For extreme position, okay, red color.